This is Motorola Moto G23, and in this video I would like to share a few useful tips and tricks for the camera app of this device. So the first option I wanted to talk about today is called Dual Capture. It provides you with two modes. You can either go for regular dual capture, that's the photo mode, and the video dual capture is the video mode. So long story short, let me show you what this mode is all about. As you can see, it allows you to simultaneously take a photo or record a video respectively from both cameras you have, both front or selfie camera and rear or main camera. While at it, you can change the layout and order in which those cameras will be placed. You can also, should have at least, be able to change the layout by tapping at this button. And as you can see, layout changes successfully. And the same more or less applies for the dual capture for video as well. Alrighty, the next option I wanted to discuss with you, or highlight today rather, that's the higher resolution mode, which provides you with more photo details by basically capturing a picture in using more camera megapixels value. So in order to enter it, just go into more section and go for the ultra-res. And once I will take a photo of some object, it will contain a remarkable level of details. So let's check the photo that we have just made. Already, so yeah, this one is not full with details because the focus was a little bit off. So let me redo the photo real quick. Not sure if this one, yeah, this one is out of focus as well. Okay, what I can do, probably I have to increase the distance from which I'm filming. See if this will make any difference. Already, yep, this time it did. So I had a slight focus issues, but they are no more. So that's the successful image that I've made, and as you can see, the detailing level is quite awesome and deep, if you ask me. Alrighty, the next option is located at the settings, so let's enter camera settings, then expand the capture settings field, and in here there is the very convenient tap anywhere to capture option, which once enabled allows you to click or tap anywhere inside the viewfinder in order to start recording a video or take photo. So as you can see, if you tap at this half, you'll start video recording. If at this, you will take a photo, or not rather start, but enter the video recording interface. Alrighty, so the next option for today, it is also the one you can find at the camera settings. One more time, expand the capture settings and go for the quick capture. So in here, by moving this little wrist twist movement, you can make it so that either main or selfie camera will get launched from anywhere in the device basically. So that's a very cool quick access feature. It just takes some time to get used to and catch the right movement you should do in order for this feature to work. And here you have it. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.